This video is going to be intended for our on-premise clients, and we're going to show you how to back up your database so that you can send it to us if you have any issues or for upgrade purposes. So what we're going to do here, we're already in the estimator. We're going to come up to the utilities menu on the toolbar and then back up. I'm going to back up the database. This is just a warning. I'm going to close that. And then this is our name of our database. We have our description. You can write one if you want. Importantly is the destination, just making sure that it is stored somewhere easily where you can find it. So we also have our overwrite options. We can either append, which is going to create a new instance of the backup, or we can overwrite to overwrite our existing file. We're going to choose overwrite, hit start. And then we're going to authenticate it. You can either use your SQL Server authentication or Windows. So I'm going to use Windows. I'm going to check the database. Okay, and the backup has been completed successfully. And then all we have to do now is we navigate to where we saved that file. In documents. Okay, so this would be the file right here, and then you would just send that to SharpeSoft at support in your email. So we hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.